welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some hay, and we got one field to do, and this field we've cut about, I don't know how many acres, but this is our second cutting of the year. I didn't get a video of the first cutting we did, but yeah, let's get started. Well, first let's cut the PTO one. That's probably a good idea if I had to guess. Alright. We're gonna be in B low. 1B with the button out low. We're gonna start off with that. See how that goes. That seems like a good speed, so we're gonna stick for that right now. But I might have to change gears, which always happens whenever baling hay. But I gotta trip this old hay, and then we'll actually get started with baling hay. Alright, last bale. Alright, let's go trip it. Get it off, take it out of gear. Let's go trip it. Well, I got that tripped. Let's put the PTO back in gear. And that is straight. Oh. Alright. Make it up just a tad. Put her in gear. Do it like that. Well, let's get started with some good time lapses. How about that? Had to change from 1B with the button out to A4 with the button out, so because the ends were a little thinner than the rows that I'm doing now, but we got a good moisture around low. But yeah, I'm having to go pretty, not super duper slow, but baling hay is pretty slow, but this is not too slow, but not too fast. It's about a middle ways between fast and slow, so. But yeah. For lunch, we have a Dr. Pepper, and yeah, that's all we have. I'm gonna see if it'll fit in this. See if it'll fit in this cooler bag up here. Man, not the dust. Got a Dr. Pepper. Does it fit? A little pushy. Look at that. It's like a cooler for the tractor. Oh, hold on. Sorry, I got a piece of dust in my eye. It's still in there. But yeah, it's like a built-in refrigerator in the tractor, which is pretty neat with these old tractors. I love old tractors, man. Have the coolest inventions. But yeah, I'll get back at y'all in a little bit. We are about halfway done, but what I really wanted to do is I want to see how cold this Dr. Pepper is in this freezer. It's been about, what, 30-45 minutes since I put it in there. If I can figure out how to get it out. Okay, alright. Close that and get straight back with that. Say hi to Waylon. And now we're gonna. It feels cold on the outside. About on the inside, I don't know. It's still about room temperature, and I need to do it for a little longer. But yeah, let's get on the real job. We are about halfway done with this field, and that's basically all I want to tell you. But yeah. All that we are going to be doing today. I hope you enjoyed that little time lapse that we just had. I thought that was pretty cool. I was scared the whole time my camera was going to fall and then it was going to drop and then the tractor was going to run over and oh gosh, voice crack. But yeah, I thought I was scared, but I thought it was a cool time lapse. But yeah, I'll meet y'all if something happens or at the end. So, see you later. Well, that's going to be a wrap for the video. We're just going to finish up this field and go to the next field and just do the inrows. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.